Hey there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. Today we're out here at BMW. This is one of their off-site lots. We're doing a fitment for a 2024 M850i BMW. Normally we mount this one in the center because there's a camera below and there's a lower spoiler that makes it a challenge, and normally we do right up under here, put single screw in there, and that's an option that's still available. But we had a customer that wanted to do one off to the side here, so we're going to mount it on the driver's side. There's a couple screws here that we can use, and this will only work with the M850. I suppose if you have an 840 with the M Sport front end, and it looks like this one, it will work. But the 840 doesn't have these screws, so it's a little different.
So you need that rubber air dam.
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. We'll show you what this is going to look like here. So, all right, I'm going to turn it over to Mike.
Okay, thanks, Steve. So we're going to be, this is going to be a no drill, so we're using taking two factory screws out, but we will not be reusing them. It's kind of a tricky one. So we're going to be removing this screw here and this screw here, so like kind of in the corner where this air duct is. So we're going to be removing those. These are got an 8mm head on them. They're 4.2 probably by 20, maybe even a little bit shorter. We will not, again, we will not be reusing these. Now, because of how this thing angles, we're going to be using two different size spacers on this. Hopefully you can see, I'm going to hold them sideways. You've got a 3/8 inch spacer and a 1/8 inch spacer. The 1/8 inch spacer is going to go closest to the wheel or the tire, and then the other one's going to go closest to the center of the car. So, and I'll show you again as we put it on. We're going to be attaching this with a 4.8 by 32 screw. It'll go through the base plate, and then now we're using the 3/8 inch spacer, and again that's going to be going in the one that's going to be going closest to the car. So we're going to go ahead and start that one, or I'm sorry, closest to the car, closest to the center of the car, if you will. Then this one, again, this is going to be another 4.8 by 32 with the 1/8 inch or the smaller spacer, and that's going to be going closest to the wheel or the outside of the car. And then we're just going to take our 8mm socket and we're going to start tightening these up. Now when you tighten them up, make sure this bracket should sit, as you can see, behind that little rubber air dam there. So it should automatically drop into place, but for whatever reason, I just want to make sure you know that it should stay back there. So there we go. I like to work them back and forth. And again, the reason for the different size spacers is to level this bracket so that when the license plate's on, the plate will sit straight up and down. So these are going into a metal J-clip, so you can tighten them up. You know, you can't go crazy, but don't be afraid to snug them up. It should be nice and solid once you get done. It should be nice and solid. So that's it. That, and you just take your front plate. You got your spring-loaded pull pin. Get it past the pull pin. Push it till it clicks into place, and there you go. You're done.
Yep, make sure you periodically lubricate your pull pin to keep it working fluidly, and make sure if you're going to go through a car wash, an automated car wash, that you remove this front plate with your license plate on there, because it will get damaged. And let me just show you what it looks like. So this one sits off to the corner a little bit. You see the front of the car, and this one, just because of the camera there in the center and that air dam, this is an option off to the side for this M850i, but you still can get one for the upper center there, but you would have to. That is a single screw that you're going to have to drill there. So, but anyway, so your front license plate will go on the front plate there, and you are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.